India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I should always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe for more interesting and useful videos and hit bell icon for latest updates. Thank you for watching this video.